The lower Kafue River Basin has been an economic powerhouse of the country, with more than half the population of Zambia living within the Kafue River catchment area. In an effort to help manage the lower Kafue River Basin sustainably, government working with non-governmental organizations such as WWF, PAF and WAMA have engaged chiefdoms around the basin in Mumbwa, who include Senior Chief Shakumbila, Kaindu, Chiburuma and Kaureulwe, through a River Basin Health Report Card, whose aim is to assess and communicate products that compare ecological, social and or economic information against predefined goals or objectives. James Mbewe is WWF professional younger expert.
The scramble for water resource in the lower Kafue Basin leaves a number of impacts that degrade the resources. So this is the reason why I thought of getting the status of the river basin with the stakeholders, so that together we can gather recommendations on how best we can manage this river basin. So after we finished developing the report card, we engaged PAF to help us disseminate information about the report card process to the communities, so that we can engage them and also let them participate in the process.
And People Action Forum Programs Manager Janet Nyoni says she was happy that the community is appreciating the message and ready to jump on the bandwagon to fight deforestation.
And also we are happy as a partner or as an organization that has been assigned to engage with the communities, that the communities themselves have realized that deforestation is an issue which has affected them, and we are happy that as a chiefdom, in all the chiefdoms that we have visited, they are ready to take actions. I think one of the areas that we're already looking at is they're looking at ways in which they can stop or they can reduce this deforestation. And already in the meeting, they're talking about ways of empowerment, ways that can really help them to take action in terms of replacing what they are doing. Most of the community members, of course, are talking about economic empowerment, that they need to be supported. And in this project, one of the ways that we are also looking forward is to link these communities to the private sectors.
Chief Chiburuma of the Ira people warned that he will not hesitate to punish subjects who contribute to the degradation of the environment.
We are mroga chibo tuinji na chibi abinji chibanka tuishisha chini bamana kutuisha bo aswe tuye tukasebezeshe muzezo ngo bakwete mwini gita munachiburuma ufire bongo okayume watereza.
It remains to every well-meaning Zambians' hope that once launched and its recommendations are communicated with key stakeholders, the lower Kafue Basin Health Report Card will act as a participatory window through which communities within the basin will help to preserve nature. Reporting for ZANIS, Simeon Mbewe in Mumbwa.